Good morning children, I hope class 8 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing operations on algebraic expressions and already we have seen addition, subtraction and exercise we have made. Today in this class we are going to see multiplication of algebraic expressions and few examples. And again one very important thing is what? This chapter is very important. In first day itself it was told. This chapter is very important. Addition and subtraction already you know, but this multiplication and division of algebraic expression is very important. So you must watch very properly, very carefully, very attentively, and you must practice so that you should be able to solve questions by yourself. Here you see multiplication of algebraic expressions. Before taking up the product of algebraic expressions, let us look at two simple rules. The product of two factors with like signs is positive and the product of two factors with unlike signs is negative. That you know. Product of two like signs, suppose plus into plus. Product of two like signs will be plus, means positive, minus into minus will be positive. Product of two like signs will be positive. Product of two unlike signs, here you see, if unlike sign will be there, product of this will be negative. That already you know. If x is a variable and m n are positive integers, then x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. That also you know, in exponents you have learned. Suppose example has been given, x to the power 3 into x to the power 5 is equal to x to the power 3 plus 5. You know this formula, x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m in m plus n. Suppose you have been given x to the power 5 into x to the power 3 will be x to the power 5 plus 3 and this will be x to the power 8. That already you know. Here you see rule, product of two monomials. So what are monomials? Monomials are the expression or algebraic expressions which are having only one term. So if suppose you have 3x or 5xy or 2x square y or minus 6xz. So these all are called monomials. These all will be called monomials because only one term you have. Here you see product of two monomials, product of their numerical coefficients into product of their variable parts. So if any expression has been given, suppose 3x, so here this is called constant or non-variable, constant or non-variable, and this is called variable. So when we multiply to monomials, suppose here you have 3x into minus 2xy. If you are multiplying this, how we will multiply this? Product of the numerical coefficient. Coefficient of x is equal to 3. Coefficient of xy here you have minus 2. So first what you need to do, product of the numerical coefficients you need to find out, or simply constant terms you multiply first, or constant number what has been given that you multiply first. 3 into 2 will be 6. Just now you have seen, unlike terms if you have, sign will be negative. Then product of their variable parts. Now x into xy you need to do. So x into x will be what? X to the power 1 into x to the power 1 will be x to the power 1 plus 1, it means x to the power 2. X to the power m into x to the power n. Just now you had seen formula, x to the power m plus n, so this will become x square. So here you see x into x will be x square and y. So this will be your answer. So in this way, this is the rule. In this way we need to multiply. Here you see, example has been given. Find the product of 6xy and minus 3x square y square. Here you see 6xy and minus 3x square y square. So first you multiply constant term. So 6 into minus 3 will be what? 18, minus 18. So here you will write minus 18 first. Then x into x square. Here you see x and x square you have. So x into x square will be x to the power 3. Because here you have 1. So x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. It means 1 plus 2, it will become 3. So here you have got x to the power 3 and y into y cube. Yes, y into y cube. Again here you see 1 and 3. It will become y to the power 4. So what you have got? Y to the power 4. So your answer is minus 18 x cube y to the power 4. So in this way, this is required to be multiplied. Here you see, now 7ab square minus 4a square b and minus 5abc. 7ab square into minus 4a square b into minus 5abc will be equal to 7 into minus 4 into minus 5. So 5 4 is 20, 27 is 140, minus into minus plus. And here you see a square and a. Here you have 1, here you have 2 and here you have 1. Means 3 and 1, 4. So you have got 140 a to the power 4. Then b square, here you have 2, here you have 1 and here you have 1. So 2, 3 and 4. So you have got b to the power 4. And c you don't have over here, only here you have c to the power 1, it means only c. So the answer will be 140 a to the power 4, b to the power 4, c. Then you have multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial. Here you have polynomials means what? Which is having many terms. Polynomials, expression which is having many terms. And with monomial, monomial means only one term here. So if this you need to multiply, how we will multiply this? Here you see 5a square b square into this term is there. It means distributive law will be applied. Suppose you have a into b plus c will be equal to ab in plus ac. So this law will be applied. Here you see 5a square b square into 3a square. Then 5a square minus 5a square b square into 4ab, because minus already you have taken. Then you have plus 5a square b square into 6b square. Now you multiply this. 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15. A square and a square will become a to the power 4 b square. Then 5a square b square into 4ab. 5 4 is 20. A to the power 3, 2 and 1 and b to the power 3. Then you have plus 5 6 is 30. A square b to the power 4 and this will be your answer. So in this way this is required to be done. Here you see how it has been done. 5a square b square into 3a square plus 5a square b square into minus 4ab plus 5a square b square into 6b square, and finally you have got this one. In the same way, this also has been done. Just you minus 3x square y into 4x square y minus 3x square y into minus 3xy square minus 3x square y into 4x and minus 3x square y into minus 5y, and then you will get the result. Next you have multiplication of two binomials. Suppose if two binomials are there, a into b into c into a plus b into c plus d. Two binomials you have, a plus b into c plus d. What is required to be done? We will multiply, here you see, a plus b into c plus d. What is required to be done? With a you multiply both the terms. So you will write a into c plus d and plus b into c plus d. Now you multiply ac plus ad. Here bc plus bd. In this way we need to multiply. Here you see we have one example. Example 3. Here we have 3x plus 5y, and you need to multiply this with 5x minus 7y. What is needed to be done? With 3x you multiply both. So 5x minus 7y plus, here if you have plus, you write plus 5y into 5x minus 7y. Now this you multiply directly. 3 into 5, 15, x into x square. 3 into minus 7, minus 21, x into y, xy. Then 5 25, y into x, either you write yx or xy, both are equal. Then 5 into 7, minus 35, and y into y square. Now if like terms are there or similar terms are there, here you see like terms xy and xy. These are the like terms. So what can be done? 15x square. Here you simplify this. Minus 21xy and plus 25xy will be plus 4xy. 21 has been minus 21xy has been added to 25xy, and you have got 4xy minus 35y square, and this will be your answer. In this way, this is required to be done. Here you see 3x into 5x minus 7y plus 5y into 5x minus 7y. Then again it has been written 3x into 5x minus 3x into 7y. Then it has been simplified, and you have got 15x square plus 4xy minus 35y square. Here you see column wise multiplication. How column wise we do multiplication. So here this also you see. Suppose this you need to multiply. This is the question. Here. How will you solve this? 3x plus 5y, or how we will multiply it? 5x minus 7y. So here in this case, from any side we can start, either from left side or right side. If you are starting from right side, you see minus 7y you have. This minus 7y is required to be multiplied with both the terms. Then with 5x you need to multiply with both the terms. And like terms are required to be written in proper column separately. So here you see 7 5 is 35 and minus into plus will be minus y into y square. This you have got. Then 7 3 is 21 xy. This you have got. So with 7y minus 7y you have multiplied and you have got these terms. Now with 5x you multiply. 5x into 5y 25xy. So below xy term you need to write this one. So you will get 25xy. And this will be with plus sign. 5 3 is 15. 15x square. Now you add this 15x square plus 4xy and minus 35y square. So in this way also it can be multiplied. So up to here I hope you understood, but you do by yourself so that properly you will understand. Then you have multiplication of two polynomials. If two polynomials are there, suppose you have 5x square minus 6x plus 9 into 2x minus 3. So how it to be multiplied? One example we will see by ourselves and you will try to understand. Suppose you have this question. Suppose this question you have. You have 2x cubed minus 5x square minus x plus 7 and you need to multiply it with 3 minus 2x plus 4x square. Just to see how we will multiply. 4x square into 7. So this will be 4 7 is 28x square and plus sign it will be having. 4x square into x plus into minus will be, unlike signs are there, so this will be negative. 4x square into x will be 4x cubed. Then you have 4 plus into minus, again minus sign you will have, and here you see what we have done. Here minus sign we needed to write 4x square into x minus 4x cubed. 4x square into 5x square. 4 5 is 20 and x square and x square will be x to the power 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 x to the power 5. X square and x cube became x to the power 5. Now with minus 2x we will multiply. 2 7 is 14x. 14x term you don't have. So here you write minus 14x. Then you have 2x square. 2x square term you have. So here you write minus into minus plus 2x square. Then you have 2x into 5x square, means x and x square will be cube. 5 2 is 10. So it will be plus 10x cube. Then minus 2x into 2x cube. So this will be x to the power 4 term. Minus into minus, minus into plus, it will be minus 2 2 is 4, x to the power 4. Now with 3 you multiply. 3 7 is 21. Constant term you don't have, here you write 21. 3 into minus x will be minus 3x. Then you have 3 into 3 5 is 15 x square. 15x square will be minus 15x square you have written, and 3 2 is 6 x cube. Now you add this up. Here you will get 8x to the power 5. Here minus and minus, you will need to add this 24x to the power 4. Then here you see 6 and 10. 16 minus 4 means 12. So this will be plus 12x to the power 3. Here you have 28 and 2 30. 30 minus 15 will be 15x square. It will be minus 17x plus 21, and this will be your answer. So in this way, in proper way, by recognizing terms, you need to write down, and it is required to be added. So in this way, we have completed examples for multiplication, and we have seen what? Multiplication of monomials, multiplication of monomials with binomials, multiplication of polynomials, and even column wise also we have seen. So just you go through exercise 6b. I hope you will be able to do. If any difficulty you will be having, just you take help from the examples. I hope you will be able to do. Just you try. Otherwise, you will see in next class. Until then, thank you.